Okay, so you're wondering if Spocket is a legit way to make some cash online. Well, I'm here to tell you that the answer is a big fat maybe. Let me explain. First, let's talk about what Spocket is. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can add their products to your own online store, and when someone buys something, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to worry about holding any inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. So where's the catch? Well, there are a few things to consider. First, Spocket isn't free. You'll have to pay a monthly subscription fee, and there are also transaction fees. Second, you'll need to find a way to drive traffic to your store. This can be difficult, especially if you're new to e-commerce. But if you're willing to put in the work, there's definitely potential to make money with Spocket. In fact, some people have reported making thousands of dollars per month. So is it worth it? That's up to you. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, Spocket could be a good option. But be sure to do your research and weigh the pros and cons before you jump in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.